Hello everyone, welcome to IMS GATE Academy. Here is a recruitment update from the ONGC India. ONGC is recruiting for the graduate trainees in engineer and geoscience discipline at E1 level through GATE 2022. So here the pay scale, emoluments and other financial benefits for the post level E1. If the post level is E1, then the pay scale will be 60,000 to 1,80,000 and other allowances are there already. Let's have a discussion on the detail of post, number of vacancies and essential qualification. So if you want to apply for the AEE cementing mechanical, then you should have a graduate degree in mechanical engineering with minimum 60% marks. You should write down the GATE exam in mechanical engineering ME only. And number of posts are here 13. For petroleum is also given here, number of posts are 4. For AEE civil, essential qualification is again same in each and every segment. Essential qualification is minimum 60% marks with your engineering. So number of posts are 29. AEE drilling is also there. Okay, number of posts are 121. AEE electrical, number of posts are 101. And when we talk about AEE electronics, then students can have an BE or BTech degree in electronics engineering, telecom engineering or ENT engineering with minimum 60% marks. Number of vacancies are 22 here. As for instrumentation, number of vacancies are 53. Okay, for mechanical AEE again, number of vacancies are 103. Production mechanical, number of vacancies are 39. Production chemical is also there, production petroleum is also there, environment, reservoir, chemist, geologist, geophysicist, okay, is also there. Programming officer is also there. For programming officer, you should write down the GATE exam in CS only. Okay, the candidate must have a computer science engineering degree with minimum 60% marks or IT degree with minimum 60% marks. And the number of vacancies are 13 here. Material management officer is also there and transport officer is also there post. So the total number of vacancies are 871. We can see the classification of reservation here. Now other than this, the age limit, when we talk about the age limit for AEE drilling or cementing, it must be 30 years for unreserved and EWS. For remaining, it's mentioned already. For AEE drilling and cementing, it must be 28 years. When we talk about the selection process, the selection is based on 3 categories. First, you should have a valid GATE 2022 scorecard. It's not for GATE 2021 or before that. So you should have a GATE 22 scorecard and the weightage of this one is 60 marks. And next is essential qualification. Weightage of this one is 25 marks. And after this one, if you will select it, then you will call for interview, and for interview the weightage is 15 marks. So the total will be 100 here. Okay, and one candidate can apply for maximum 3 posts only here. Now when we talk about the important dates and how to apply, you can apply directly through the www.ongcindia.com and you can approach their maximum 3 posts as per their qualification. Okay, so here now the registration charges are also there. If you are from general, EWS or OBC, then registration charges are 300. For SC, ST and PWBD, there is no charges. Okay, and the important dates which are very important, the start date of online registration will be 22nd of the September. Okay, and the last date of online registration will be 12th of the October. So you can apply before 12th of the October, guys, and the detailed notification is already attached in the description box of this video. You can go through this one and you can apply for this particular post. Thank you, guys.